Urito wa mbura iria ithiete na mbere na kuringana wonekete na hathara iria icungiririe kuri muingi na nyamu cia githaka kuona gukinyagia umuthi andu 76 nio makuite kumana na kiguo. Kuringana na mwaria wa thirikari Isaac Mwaura, mururumo wa mbura ino utumite andu matanyihire 16,000 na 900 mage guikaro, riri angi 29 magurarite na 19 matire maramenyekana kuria mari.
Since the onset of these rains beginning 1st of March 2024, we deeply regret to announce the tragic loss of an additional 6 lives in the last 12 hours, bringing the total to 76.
Andu 32 nio makuite kaunti-ini ya Nairobi na ana no marethanwo nao thutha wao gukuo ni kiguo. Na kuo gitaro-ini kia gatagati andu 3 nio makuite, eri magitiwo na nguraro.
29 Kenyans have been injured and 19 missing persons have been reported. And Nairobi is currently experiencing the highest impact with a significant death toll of 32 Kenyans and 16,909 households displaced. The National Executive is actually calling upon Parliament to fast-track the implementation, the enactment, of the Disaster Risk Reduction Bill.
Thirikari ni yambite kambi 50 gwothe bururi-ini gutangikira aria ahutie ni muiyuro.
Kenya Red Cross has set up 50 camps across the country, and the government is also identifying higher grounds to house the displaced people temporarily. And this also includes the social halls around Mathare, about 12 of them, that we need to really to ask people to move there. And Kenyans residing in flood-prone areas, especially along riparian areas and along riverbanks, are advised to seek safe alternatives for immediate habitation.
Thirikari ni irutite mukana kuri aria maikaraga kianda kia demu cia Seven Forks, akiuga ikirie kuiyura na kuna ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24.
Mafuriko yameendelea kukithiri na mvua inatarajiwa kuwa katika nchi nzima, kaunti zote 47, hususan hii wikendi, lakini tunatarajia kwamba itapungua.
Haduini ha Inooro TV, Jitagwo Muthoni wa Gacathi.